Just do it. Just do it. If you're on the fence, I mean, just do it. There's nothing to lose. This is a way to really like structure your personal offering, what we as professionals are offering, whether it's comes from the, patchwork quilty background or the experience, or like the ability to actually pull from those experiences and the learnings and put it all in our little offer, something that makes an impact and really changes the life of a business owner. And I'm speaking from the integrator
Yeah.
role, but I see firsthand what it means to run a business. And I see firsthand that I've done a lot of the stuff that my husband just wasn't created to do, but also didn't want to do. And like his time and energy and knowledge was much better invested in actually talking with the clients and making money while providing professional services, right? While
Yep.
my background was, so it's really it. I think it's a great way to structure our knowledge, our offering, and gain really immense knowledge on this industry and this opportunity. And as somebody said here, it's like being ahead of the curve and
I love it.
offering something. So definitely just be bold and take on this new challenge and
be bold.